Come and tighten this. I don't got time for that right now.
You're over here beating it while I was going to the bathroom?
Can you tighten this?
Yeah, if you
Before
let
I
me in
fucking
here.
tighten your nuts.
Ooh, daddy. Oh!
Thank you.
Thank you for your cooperation. Easy.
Put your hand right there, Sue.
No, I'm good. Why don't you put picklefork in there and do it that way?
Because it's not going to work either way. It's still going to be a bitch no matter
Ooh,
what.
here. Because it has the thing for tubing in here. Oh, see?
See? Hey, look. He came out of the bathroom and he was useless. I mean, useful.
Sorry I had to go poo-poo.
No.
Ooh.
Nasty ass shit.
Takes one of that one. What? Tighten it?
Please, thank you. Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, yeah? There it went. Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries.
Now remember which time that's which so you can kind of match up the others.
Driver's side. No, sorry. Passenger side.
Yep, that's driver's side.
Yes. Actually, would you have masking tape? Can you make me a little
Little note.
Yes. Please and thank you.
Maybe. If you be nice. While you're in here beating it. Everybody just watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it.
You just watch Bernsey whack off.